we're gonna explore this hidden gem here in Animal Kingdom.
So come along with us.
We are currently heading onto the Wildlife Express. The Wildlife Express is the only way to get over to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and this is a lot of fun. Thank you, Fabricio. And we just got lucky and caught the next train, so we're gonna head on over. I'll show you the train ride, and then we'll get on over it. Like I said, this is a little hidden gem. It does take a little bit of work to get there, but it's worth it. Got our spots on the train. Now, the one thing I'll point out about the train is that they have a specific direction they want you looking, so everyone is facing out. If you're facing the train station, the left side of the train, so everyone always looks the same way, because that's where Disney wants you to look. So they kind of put you on this train in a specific way so you can see things. Now, they do show you a little behind the scenes, but it's very heavily curated.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. For a safe journey, remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki'S Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures as we make our way to Rafiki'S Planet Watch. Keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio?
We've made it to the conservation station, which is the main area of this. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit more of a tour of it in a second, but the first thing Michelle and I want to do is the 1:45 p.m. animation class. So we're on our way over to that right now. Hey, Rafiki. What's up? Like I said, we're going to be doing the animation experience, which is the next one's at 1:45. Once you come into the conservation station, if you want to do the animation experience, you kind of work your way around here, and you can do this. In this section, they have these like drawing boards. They're going to have an animator, and we're going to try to be a part of this. So here we go. You can also get a lightning lane for it. So if you have that, you can do that too. Just make sure that you get here with enough time, because we almost didn't make it in.
Twice in 2 days.
It's pretty, and seats are limited, so just be prepared for that. We have gotten our seats underneath the atrium here, and we're going to be drawing. It looks like something from The Lion King. I'm hoping it's going to be Pumbaa. That's my hope. Who do you think it's going to be? No idea. Okay, she's no guesses. All right, we'll see what it is. I'm hoping Pumbaa.
Get your pencils ready, because here comes our animation artist now.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are we doing today? And we're gonna have an awesome time drawing the one and only Simba.
Wow, Simba.
We are in a big celebration right now because we are celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Lion King. Woo! All right, can you guys believe that? 30 years? I feel old. Alrighty, friends, are we inspired? Okay, mostly yes. All right, so let's hop onto it. However, whenever we're animating characters that are not human, we like to anthropomorphize them, which just means giving them human characteristics so that us as the human viewer can relate to them better. And in his case, it's just gonna be a nice little arc. You're gonna go from that tear duck shape. I'm just gonna go up and kind of do like a triangular shape up and down to the end of that blue guideline, and you mouth. And to draw that in from the nose a little bit below, you're just gonna curve it down. Oh, he looks very serious a little bit.
You have fun?
Yep.
Yeah? You're proud of your drawing?
No.
Oh, I think it looks great. Nice job. Nice Simba. I really like it. Here's mine. That's what mine ended up looking like. That was a lot of fun. Come on, that was a lot of fun. You had fun drawing. You know you had fun drawing. And they came out good.
I should have stopped before the main.
See? Even Mike says they came out good.
We're not good.
See? We did good.
You did great.
I am choosing to recycle my pencils. That was fun. I enjoyed that. And see, you did better than you thought you would. I can tell you're proud of your drawing because you got a smile on your face. You did good. No, the main looks fine. I think it looks fine. Especially, that's not easy to do. I was having fun with it. I mean, I think my nose looks weird. But other than that, I like it. Now that we've done the animation experience, we can kind of tour this. We hurried over here to do the animation experience because there's one at 1:45 and we wanted to catch that one first. But the conservation station here has all these different really cool places where they talk about all the different levels of what they need to do with their animals. And like here's the nutrition station, and they have like the different types of food pellets that they give the animals. Like this is for your giraffe, this is for flamingos, this is for your wild herbivores, your primate browsers. This says Timothy alfalfa cubes. I have no idea why it says Timothy, but there's no one here to ask, even though it says ask a nutrition assistant. But low starch primate biscuits, low starch more primate sticks, and then oyster shell added to bird's diet to help build strong eggshells. So they have added all kinds of nice things to the food, and they kind of show you how they do it here. They also have this display of invertebrates, including like the giant stick, walking sticks, like the prickly stick. They have a red tarantula. A lot of these are hard to see. They are in these enclosures, but you can't really see them. However, they do have this display here. Oh, here we go. If you're fear of spiders, look away now, because there's one right there. That's called an Amazon sapphire pink toe tarantula. And Michelle doesn't like it. We do have some eastern lubbers, which are basically like locusts or grasshoppers. There you go, right there. And they have a death-feigning beetle. We have some Egyptian tortoises here, and we've moved into some of the reptiles and amphibians. There's some snakes and other things. And the Chinese crocodile lizard posing for the camera. And currently popular on the internet, we have the axolotls. There's one right there. Look at him breathe. In the amphibian tanks. Hello, sir. We do have a green and black poison frog there posing for everybody. And if you look carefully, you can also see this fire salamander. He's kind of in the water right there. And then over here, we have the emperor newt. And the funny thing is that the emperor newt, to me, looks like a rock in the way that they're lying down. And it's probably intentional. That's pretty cool. One of the things you can see here, if you come at the right time, is you can sometimes catch them doing an actual animal examination. This is a real animal hospital. This isn't just a Disney display. We did have a lovely conversation with the veterinarian who works here, talking about how when the times they do it and how the afternoon is not the best time to be here. We were here in the afternoon. Oops. And because the animals are anesthetized and they will need to, they would rather than wake up in the afternoon, so they usually try to do the procedures in the morning. But this is a fully staffed, fully operational veterinary hospital, as I was explained to by the lovely cast members who are standing out here by the display. And the final space you can see in the conservation station here is the Science Center, where they actually do real research. You can see real people's computers and real people's workstations. This is not, like I said, this is not a display. This is them actually where they work. So I really love the fact that Disney puts this on display so you can see it. I'm only going to film that man for a second because he's working, but this is where they do it. And last but not least is the affection section, or Animal Kingdom's version of a petting zoo. But we're going to go in there and pet some goats. Heading into the affection section, they do tell you do not touch them on their head or face, and also do not try to pick up their food and feed it to them. And as you can see, we do have some that are behind these blue ropes. Those blue ropes are for them to have a place to be alone and not accosted. So just please make sure that you understand that you may only see like the single goat that's out here right now. We do have some longhorn goats out here that are chilling in the shade. Don't blame them. It is a little hot today, but it is kind of nice out. Don't worry, I am going to pet something. Here's some more of our goats enjoying a little snack. Don't blame them. I'm hungry myself. Just make sure you follow all cast member instructions if they say, don't chase the goat down, don't chase the goat down. Hi, Sven. Nice to see you. There you go. I've been told that one's name is Sven. And lying over here in the corner is Dottie the pig. Dottie the pig is very tired, but is apparently very much loves pets. So, hi Dottie. Have some nice long pets. You look sleepy. Oh, we got some snorts. There we go. I got some snorts. Yeah, nice to see you, Dottie. I hope you have a good day. Enjoy your nap. We do have some sheep back here in the shade, trying to get themselves all nice and cool. Like I said, it is a little warm in the sun today, and so they're not really out, but this is the affection section. You can see they do have a large number of animals that you can pet. Nope, and Michelle's turn. There she goes. Look, Michelle, you made him leave a trail. I'm excited to see her. Yep, there we go. All excited to see Michelle. Well, I guess I taste good. Yeah, sunscreen and sweat. Well, there we go. There's my affection for the day. I mean, that was instant. They started looking at me. So I guess I did something right. Well, thank you for the cleaning. I needed to be cleaned. Oh, Michelle needs to be cleaned too. You've been licked by an affection section goat.
Can I bring them home?
No. I don't think our cats would like it.
I want a goat.
No goats. Unless, well,
Then
maybe.
we don't need a lawnmower.
Yeah, that's true. We wouldn't need a lawnmower. Maybe. Now, before we leave the affection section, I do want to introduce you to Charlotte. And Charlotte might look a little familiar to you because Charlotte is the inspiration for Pua in Moana. And so, hi, Charlotte. I hope you're enjoying your artist lifestyle here at the affection section. We are going to be stopping here at the exit. They do ask you to wash your hands thoroughly before you leave. I don't blame them. We are going to try to get back on the train shortly just because it is looking like it's going to start raining. But when you're done, make sure you come wash your hands. Did you wash your hands? Now, before we go, we do want to show you something we're not going to do, but it's pretty cool that it's here. Check this out. Rafiki is meeting and greeting here at the affection section. This is where you get to meet Rafiki, and it's always a lot of fun. You can see very excitedly having a blast with the guests right now. And that meet and greet's a lot of fun, and this is right outside of the main conservation station. However, Michelle and I are going to take this path here and head back to the train. One thing you might not be ready for, though, just to understand when you get off the train, it is a little bit of a walk from the train station down to the conservation station. So don't think that you've gone the wrong way like I did, because I hadn't done it in a while, and I was like, oh yeah, it's just this long walk down here. But this place is a really kind of a cool area, right? Yeah, it's got it's got information, it's got the petting zoo, it's got the affection section. However, they also have like real life information. That animation experience is a really cool thing to be able to do and get out of the heat for a little bit, right? And even Michelle had fun drawing today. So we're gonna head back to the train and we'll close out there. Thoughts on Rafiki's Planet Watch?
It's cool. I've never been back here before, so nice to finally see it.
Yep, it was a new experience for her. I've been back here a few times, just on my own, but I've always thought it was really cool. It's a hidden gem here, right? Yeah, it's especially the animation experience kind of makes it a really nice destination to come to. the affection section if your kids are really into animals and if they want to learn some stuff. And you also might catch something really cool, like a medical procedure on an animal, that's pretty awesome. So while we wait for the train to come pick us back up, we're gonna just chill out and wait. And for you, instead of chilling out and waiting, you should leave a comment down below whether you like the affection section, the conservation station, or any of that other stuff that we did today, because Rafiki's Planet Watch is really kind of a hidden little spot here in Animal Kingdom. So you should come check it out. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're going to see you real soon. So we say, see you bye. Go pet a pig.